Oh, say hi.
Hi. This is our first video on the camcorder party.
Well,
It is touchscreen. Whoa, I zoomed out.
the light's still on.
Let me film.
Feel what?
Film you.
Oh, film. Okay. So, you can zoom in if you want. I'm just saying if you want.
Yeah.
Whoa.
QC.
Kind of, yeah. So, what we're doing today is, this is just a video to say we finally got a camcorder. Yes.
Well, this is Paige's. I want to get mine.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's like a TV. I wish you could see it, but we're filming with it. Okay, this is just a video to say that we got it. And so our videos are probably going to be a lot nicer. Not just like a little screen.
What does this
You
do?
can set it back if you want.
Here, I just want to see what all this stuff does. So this talk. Sing.
What?
Sing.
Sing what?
I don't know.
Oh.
Wait. Photo. Go over there.
Oh. I think it's still on video. Oh
Yeah,
my
it
God.
is.
Here. Just say hi. Close up of your eye. That was cool, sorry. Look at the bow. Don't move your head. What are you sitting like that for?
I don't know.